All right, here we have our Ego 2.0 8-inch chuck. It's at our demo facility, and we're going to be cutting 4-inch square tubing, 1/8-inch stick with compressed air. Here's the drawings that we're doing. So we're going to cut off a full cut, and then we're going to do some fun little squares and rectangles just to show you the ability of the machine. And right before we do that, let's make the end cut. So I just changed that to, and this is how simple it is to do. You just go into the system, change it, it's there. So the end cut's there. So now all we have to do, go through it, auto sort it. It's auto sorted, and we literally just go to 0. All right, so we'll set that to 0, and let's start it up. It's that simple, guys. You set it on the computer, you do everything on the computer, and you just cut it. There's no magic. There's nothing hard about it. It's just that simple. See you next time.